It's amazing. All right. Anyway, all right. Let's open up your thing, Francis. Adam. So I'm gonna have to think about your thing because it's actually pretty good as it is. Now I'm really liking, I'm loving the foot. But what I was gonna suggest on this is, this is a light, right? This is a light, and so I think it would be casting. Okay, let me do a quick screenshot. Control T. Oh shoot! I just screwed up. Okay, Control Shift 4. Let's see. By the way, I have total respect for you doing that. That's a lot of work, and and that's a very good training for you. So, yeah, it's also fun. Okay, file open. Downloads. I think this is going to be on my desktop. Screenshot. Oh. Control H. Zoom out. All right. So just for more drama, and you don't want to animate this, you're going to be so upset. But let's just do something. I'm going to say right here. Okay, I'm gonna a new layer, and I'm gonna copy I'm gonna eyedropper a funky color. Say this, and B airbrush. I'm gonna go big. I'm gonna go here, soft, and oh, I don't want that. I want that's the dissolve. Sorry, I want the normal, and let's just okay. Oh, and also, let's duplicate this and let's really punch it up before I start messing with this reflection. Let's start pumping it, because oh, now we're talking. Something like, ooh, just too much. Ooh, this is looking good. Something like this, perhaps. Okay, let's do that. That looks good. Okay. Oh, you had him slightly transparent?
Yes.
Okay. All right, fine. Yeah. Okay, let's just erase out this. I'm gonna use the eraser. I'm gonna go a little sloppy, but I'm gonna try to be good. Oops, wrong thing. Here. Zoom in a little bit. Hey, and too much noise. I noticed the noise, but it's too much.
The noise comes from when I made the GIF. I just continued to put the volume, and the export was the GIF.
Yeah. Oh, really? Okay, I didn't know. I haven't done a GIF for a little while.
Mm-hmm.
But GIFs are really fun. I just did a little movie. My friend, she's like big on social media, and she does social media professionally. And she's like, yeah, BRook, if you want to get social media, you need to do some reels. And I hate doing social media, honestly. And so she said, have some reels and stuff. So I started doing some reels, and I really do like making short movies. I did advertisements to promote my parties and stuff like that, and so it's I really get into it. But anyway, so I just made a reel last night, and I'm really happy with it. I'll show it to you. And it's funny as well. Okay, so let's copy this. I'm going to choose eyedropper and B for brush, but this time I want a hard brush. Oopsie, couldn't. Oopsie. Okay, there. So cute, man. Okay, so new layer. I'm gonna just put a reflection of him in here, and the screen ends here. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna turn it down. Oh shoot, I did it on the wrong layer. Let's just do that again. New layer, and just turn it down to about 10%. Let's see. There. And there's also a new layer. There's going to be a black shadow here, and this is really what I wanted to show you. I'm going to go under here and I'm going to go, change that to black. So it's on this layer, image, adjust hue saturation, take down that saturation all the way, crank down the white all the way, there. Maybe add a little bit of opacity, just a wee bit, there we go. All right, cool. Oh, no, this is really what I wanted to show. So on this thing right here, you know where, I think you're gonna know where I'm going at. I'm going to select a new layer on top. I'm gonna go black, press R for rotate so I can get a nice stroke. And I don't know, his foot, his leg. No, that doesn't look good. Let's just try one more. But you know where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Because you really want, you know, those, look at, oh, and then his other leg is kind of there. So his shadow's coming here. So other shadow, and then where his crotch is, and then the leg. So let's just fill all that in. Don't animate this. You're going to be in for a hell of a night. But all I'm trying to say is this is a light-centric device, right? It's a very disco-y, light-centric device, and you really want to show that as much as possible with all the resources that are available to you, which is all of this stuff. So basically, that's what I want to show you. A little spooky, it's like, you know, it pops. And I think we talked about this, you know, the classic, two classics, the horror movie classic, where they're on the sofa and there's a TV and it's very shadowy. It's only the faces that are glowing. That's one. The second one is the internet nerd, who is in his dark room and he's looking at the screen and it's only him, but there's a shadow on the wall behind him. That's the type of vibes that I'm trying to get. Okay, that's this. I'll save this as Edom. Save as. Oh my God. Oh, I'll tell you what's the easiest way to do this. It's not hard. I just know how to do it. I'll show you. Let's call this Edom. E-D-E-E-M. Edom. Photoshop. Desktop. All right. I'm gonna tell you verbally how to do this. He's already cut out, isn't he?
Yeah.
Actually, let's go back to the Google Drive. I forgot. I need to look at the other one. No. He's cut out.
Are you talking about flipping it and then putting it on?
I'm gonna say no squeezing him. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me show you an. I'm not gonna use yours because it's too complicated, but I'm gonna show you an example in Illustrator. Let's just use these guys. Let's use these. Here we go. Let's use this girl right here. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, here you're gonna take it, copy, paste in front. There it is, and then I think I'm holding Shift. Yeah, I am. You're not flipping. You're doing something like. Hold on, I'm just gonna experiment a little. I don't know, honestly. It's gonna take, but okay. And okay, behind her, layers. Oh, here we go. New layer, behind, and let's just put a big white thing behind her. White should be behind. Maybe it goes like this. So I didn't do a very good job, honestly. That kind of sucks. Let's just adjust it a little. But right, exactly. So what my point is, you're not going to mirror it.
Well, did you see my other one?
Let me look again. I think I did notice it, but I forgot. Here we go. Oh, there, I did notice that. That was sweet. That was totally sweet. Yes, nice.
So is that what you're saying, that instead of flipping it, I would distort it?
Yeah, you distort it.
Okay. So I can basically reuse the same frames that is distorted.
Yeah, just pull him down, distort him down. Or her. Yeah, whatever it is. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And here, I don't need to draw it. What time is it? We've got 30 minutes. I don't want to draw it, but you could put a bedroom back there, but I like it so much as it is. Okay, I mean, I'm going to draw on this actually. So let's zoom, let's download this. Download. Could not download. Why not? Okay, anyway, that's cool. I'm fine with that. Oh, look at that. There's all the frames. Huh. Interesting. I never downloaded something like that and seen the frames. Only in Photoshop I see that. Okay, well anyway, let's see if I can take this one and drag it into Photoshop. I've never tried this. Let's see if it works. Oh, it does. Great, cool. Okay, nice. I love Max. All right. Oh, no, this is what I wanted to show. You should... New layer. You should probably blow up that light. Let's go here. Oh, the light is actually, it's going all across here. It's going up. And close it. Okay, there it is. A new layer. And B for brush. Big, soft airbrush. Big, big, big. I'm just going to copy this color. I mean, I don't know what the color is really, but really big. Come on. What's happening? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now, if you had that in the background, and it's probably easy, you know, it's just one of your backgrounds, and shift that light color as well, and then make and cut him out, it's going to pop because you really got to tell that story about the light. Let's go another layer on top. This time, let's go whiter. Right here, because that really shows bright light. Let's do it right here. Okay, and we're just going to get him on top, and I would make him really black because I think you kind of made you had a gray outline. Okay, that's a good point. Okay, I'm going to show you something even better. Thank you for pointing that out. Okay, I'm going to go hard brush. Okay, there we go. I don't know. I got this. I don't know if you guys have this on Photoshop. I don't. Since the new Photoshop, it always defaults to 15. I'm like, I don't want that. It's new. And okay, so I'm going to cover up your white outline. Oh, nice shoes. Oh, I'm going to show you some really amazing shoes. I just downloaded a couple of days ago. What? Oh. Oh, look, I love the whole... He's got a beanie. He's a raver. All right. Oh, it's already looking better. Okay, so what we're going to do, now check this out. Instead of your white line, duplicate this guy. Down here, let's turn him off the top one. This guy, let's turn him really bright. Let's go image, adjust. Now here's a nice trick. Hue saturation, which you see me using all the time. Now, click this colorize. And then let's crank up a little light. Let's get him pink. Right here, the pink area. Saturation. Really hot. Let's get him really hot. Okay, there. Turn this on. Let's shift him down. So this will be an easy tweak on your animation. So now all of his bottom stuff is showing.
Did you just slightly a little bit?
I just slightly with the button arrow buttons, and that's it. And then you'll have him dancing, and you can easily do that with the animation. Okay, you need to increase your darkness background, because let's just shut it all down. I see where you're coming from, but you didn't put those light marks in, like how I did that.
Mm-hmm.
But so let's do this. Let's cut this out. Not cut it out, but and let's go black, black, black. Black. Fill it up with the paint bucket. Okay, and let's turn it down a little bit. I went a little too much there. Okay, there, there, and oh, underneath here. Let's go black. There, paint bucket. Deselect. Shoot, what was I gonna do? I think this needs black as well. The whole darn thing needs black.
Okay.
Honestly. Oh, that's it. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that. And you cropped your thing out too much. You look, you're pinching here.
Mm-hmm.
You cropped it too much. So give yourself a bigger background, and but that's going to be a sweet little thing. That's really nice.
Thank you, Brooke.
Yep. Okay, great. Thank you. I'll save this as Adam. Have you showed that to your
Not
your?
yet.
No. Oh, you did that. Wait, what happened? All right. Big fry up. At least my computer's working. EDEM. TIFF. Save it as a JPEG. Oh no, not Photoshop. Sorry, Photoshop. You can't see what I'm doing because somehow my connection's all screwed up. But Photoshop. Oh, now you can. Okay, good. Oh, Photoshop. There we go.